7th Standard Geography Term 3 First Lesson Exploring Continents North America and South America. This is part 2. Viewers, subscribe my channel, press bell button. If you like this video, give likes, share it and give comments. In the previous part, that is part 1, we have seen about the physical divisions of North America. Now we are going to see about agriculture and food crops, minerals, population, important industries and so on. We are going to see in this part. Agriculture in North America. America's agriculture is most productive in the world. Extensive agriculture system is practiced in Canada and USA. What is extensive agriculture? It means small amounts of labors used in this system. Both Canada and USA are the major exporter of wheat than the other countries of the world. Wheat, corn, maize, oats, soya bean and so on. These are the crops are grown throughout the vast interior plains. Fruit use in North America. Mainly citrus fruits are cultivated in Texas, California, Great Lakes regions and St. Lawrence Valley. The important fruits of North America are cranberries, blueberries, Concord grapes, strawberries and so on. Cattle rearing. Cattle rearing are carried on a commercial scale in the drier parts of the prairies in the southern western part of United States. Vast herds of cattle and sheep are kept on large ranches. Large ranches, it means large farmings or farms. North America is the largest producer of meat and about 1/4 of the world production. Dairy farming. Dairy farming refers to rearing cattle for milk. It is an important industry of USA and Canada. Dairy farming is found in the cooler and humid part of the prairies, Great Lakes areas and so on. North America produces about 25% of the world total milk and dairy products. Fisheries. Cod, herring, salmon and so on are the major varieties of fish in North America. Minerals. North America has rich mineral resources. North America is the leading producer of iron ore, petroleum, natural gas and so on. Lead and uranium are the other important minerals. North America has vast deposit of oil and natural gas. The United States, Canada and Mexico are among the world top oil producers. Industries in North America. North America has plenty of resources and is needed for industrial development. Industries are highly concentrated in the northeastern part of the continent because of large minerals deposits like coal, iron ore, etc. And these are the minerals can be transported through network like roads, railways and canals. The United States ranks first in the iron and steel industry. They use the latest technology in developing their industries. There are the different types of industries like iron and steel industry, heavy electronical and engineering industries, wood pulp and paper industry, textile industry, meat packing industry and so on. Particularly we'll see about the heavy engineering industries. Industries which require heavy and bulky raw materials. These are called as the heavy engineering industries. And also it needed enormous amount of power, huge investment and large transport cost. So these are all included for the heavy engineering industries. These industries depend heavily on the iron and steel industry. The important heavy industries are automobile industries, aircraft industries, shipbuilding industries, and so on. AC is the largest producer of automobiles. The important center of heavy engineering industries are Chicago, Buffalo, Los Angeles, and so on. Population distribution in North America. North America has about 4.77 percentage of the total world's population. The largest country by land area is Canada. The largest city by population is Mexico City. Transport in North America. North America has developed a well designed network of roadways, that is, freeways, railways, waterways, and airways.